Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of account standard 11 part 2. Every time I am telling the first sentence like that, accountancy, which chapter, which part, that you should mention. Now you see the sums what I completed till the last video, like that one or two more complicated sums I want to do it. After that few more sums I want to do from your exercise, and also I told some extra sums I will give you for making practice. That I will not solve, you will try to solve it. Page number 61 of illustration number 18. Page 61 of illustration 18, that whole sum I will not do, only working I will do, then I will shift to the exercise sum. Here just I want to show how we will do the working. Once you are able to do the working, I think you will not have any problem to do the machinery account without doing the ledger. Page 61, illustration number 18. 1/4/14, the books of RIA Industries balance of the machinery account was ₹24,000. Whenever the balance will be given, that time you don't think this is the purchase price or the cost price. This is the balance of the machinery account which is given on 1/4/14. This machinery you have purchased before that, and you have charged the depreciation every year at a certain rate of depreciation rate. So 1/4/14, the books of RIA Industries balance of the machinery account was ₹24,000. This machine was purchased 6 years before. Every year, company charged depreciation under the at the rate of 10% under the straight line method, and on 30th9/14, this was sold at 30% loss on its book value. From the above information, part the journal entry in the books of the company and prepare the machinery account. How we will calculate the book value? How we will calculate the cost price? That you see, balance is given 1/4/14. Balance of the machinery account is given 24,000. Correct? And this machine you have purchased before 6 years before. And every year if you are charging the depreciation 10%, so how much total depreciation you have charged? How much total percentage of the depreciation you have charged? Every year you are charging depreciation 10%, and you calculated it 6 years. So you have charged already 60%. 60% depreciation amount you have charged. That means every year 10% like that. 6 years, 60% amount you have already deducted from your CP. Now the left amount, this is how much? This is its remaining, which is 40%. Because your total is 100%. So this amount is for 40%. That is the things which you have to calculate. These things you have to understand. This is 24,000 is not your CP. CP, it was before 6 years which you purchased the machine, that was not given. But they said that one, what was the CP? They are 10%, 6 years you have deducted, and 60% amount deducted. Now till 40% amount will be left only, because every year if you charge 10%, so after 10 years it will be 100%. So the amount is 40%. Now if 40% is 24,000, how much is 100%? That is the things which you have to calculate. 24,000 divided by 40 multiplied by 100, which will get it 60,000. 4 30 40 हो गया 40. So this is your CP, and if you deduct 6,000 करके आप डिडक्ट करते जाओ, तो 7th ईयर बिगिनिंग में आपको 24,000 आएगा. Now 60% is your CP, so depreciation will charge 10%. 10% means 10% of 60,000. which is coming 6,000. So 6,000 every year we will charge the depreciation. Annual depreciation will be 6,000. Now what is given it here? This machine was purchased before 6 years before. Every year company charged the depreciation under the straight line method 10%. On 30/9/14 this machine was sold at 30% loss. 30/9/14 मतलब that you have to keep in mind. 30/9/14 का मीनिंग क्या होता है? यहाँ एक थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन आपको दिखा देता है. 30/9/14. This is full year will completed 31/3/15 because 1/4/14 से 31/3/15 it comes 12. But machine you have sold on 30/9/14. This machine you sold on 30/9/14. Now how many months comes from April to November? Sorry, September. April, May, June, July, August, September. 6 months. April, May, June, July, August, September. This is 6 months. So we charge the depreciation for 6 months. How much? Not 2,400. Don't calculate 10% of 24,000 which is coming 2,400. It will be wrong because you are charging depreciation 10% of 60,000 which is CP. So 60,000 10% which comes 6,000. But 6,000 is for the whole year. But this is for the 6 months you will get 3,000. So it is coming 21,000. Is your book value. And you are charging depreciation according to 10% and 30% loss. Now less loss 30%. 30% मतलब 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 6,000, 6,300. 6,300 is your loss. माइनस करो 3,700 1 7 और 4,000 14,700 is your bank sold and you close it. You have to do the machine account only this much, no need to do from the first year. This is the overall idea about the machine account. They are the most important things which you have to understand. Remaining part you will try to do it. The maximum hard part I already told. Now let me do one more questions from your exercise, which is page number 66 of question number 5 of 4. 5 of 4. Correct? These are most important questions. Let us see how to do the working. Let me read the question. Page number 66, question number 5/4. 5/4. Kaushik Corporation has purchased machines for rupees 1,24,000 on 1/4/12. Carriage, installation expense, carriage and installation expense of this machine. The carriage and installation expense of this machine was rupees 16,000. The repairing expense of rupees 20,000 was incurred before putting this machine for production. On 1/10/13, the second machine is purchased for rupees 1,36,000 and installation expense was rupees 8,000. First machine was sold on 30/9/14 at 40% loss on its book value. Prepare the machine account up to 31/3/15 and show the accounting effect in the annual account of 2012-13. Company provides the depreciation of the machinery at the rate of 10% by the SLM, straight line. Now, full machine, 100% machine you have sold. So only two parts we will draw. One is M1 and M2. 1 second, let me question and try to collect the data. 1,24,000, 1/4/12. Installation expense 16,000 and repairing expense 20,000. Okay, 1/10/13. Second machines 136 plus 8. Okay, first machine sold was sold at 40% loss. Anyway, this is this is, and this is. करेक्ट? कब परचेस किया? 1/4/12. सीपी कितना था? सीपी था 1,24,000 प्लस 16 16 24 34 35 40 40 60 1,60,000. That you understand? 1,24,000 plus 16 24 25 27 30 40 और 20,000 repairing expense. Okay. And this machine on 31st 13 depreciation 10%. 10% no? How much percentage of depreciation? Yeah, 10%. 10% means 16. Correct? 6 14 17 add 2 4 144. This is a balance of 1,413. Now 31st 3/14. Again depreciation. How much? 16. Straight line method. 16 if you deduct, this is 8 6 8 2 2 1 128. This is the 1,414 balance. Up to where we will go? Repairing expense under this incurred before putting this machine, and second machine we have purchased. Okay, first machine sold 30/9/14. 30/9/14. Okay. Now we will go in here 30/9/14 depreciation. कितना आएगा? 30/9/14 अप्रैल टू सितंबर, मई जून अप्रैल मई जून जुलाई अगस्त सितंबर 6 months. 6 months means 8,000. पूरा साल का 16,000, तो 1,20,000. This is your book value. How I am doing, you understand? And this machine is sold on 30/9/14 at 40% loss. 40%. 40% means 48,000. Less loss. 40%. 4/48. बराबर ना? 10% 10% is equal to 12,000 48,000. Loss तो माइनस होगा. This is आगे भी तो सकता है 1 5 8 7. This is bank. SP selling price and machine is closed. Now machine 2. Machine 2 how did you buy? The machine 2 you buy 110/13. 110/13 it comes here. 110/13 CP. How much it was? Its CP is 136 plus 8. So 30 37 40 40 144. So 37 that you understand now? 1,36,000 plus 8. So 37 40. Now charge the depreciation on 31st 3/14. 13 say 14. 31st 3/14. Depreciation. Depreciation how much we charge? 10%, which comes 14,400. But as it is a 6 month, so it will come 7,200. 14,400 is the full depreciation. So 7,200 is the half depreciation. We are at this is 8. अच्छा तो मतलब 1 मतलब 3 1,36,800. 37 38 40 40. This is the balance of 1,414. After higher we go, next one more year we will go. 31st 3/15. Again depreciation, which comes 14,400. 14,400. That is remembering. This is 400. This is 2. This is also 2. This is 1. So you are getting the balance of 1,415. This will go on. Look at the board. Try to understand what is I said and how you will do it. This is machine 1 ka working. This is machine 2 ka working. Now machine account will do. You have to write it here. Machine account very easy. This is at the time. You remember this all. The figure you remember. 1, 4, 12. Purchase the machines. 2 bank. 2 cash. 2 bank. How much it was? I think 21, 124 or 16 or this. 124 or 36. This is 16 plus 16 plus 20, 36. And we are getting 31st 3, 13 by depreciation. That is M1. How much you are getting? 16,000. And you write here 160. Here you write here 160 and balance you got 144. Here it is there. So by balance C. And here you write here 1, 4, 13. You balance BD 1 lakh 44. Now second year. Second year I have purchased a machine which cost was 144. That you write here. 1, 10, 13. 2 bank and 2 cash. I think ये 136 था और एक 8 था. Whatever. Now charge the depreciation of 31st 3, 14 by depreciation of M1 and M. M1 is coming, how much is coming? 16,000 और M2 is coming 7,200. एक साथ यहाँ लिख के भी बाहर लेके आ सकता था. Okay? That also you can do. How much is coming? 16,200. Here you have written 16,200 plus 7,000. 16,000 plus 7,200. तो 16 साथे 23. 23,200. Okay? And second year, you have not sold the machine, no? 31st 14 तक हमने मशीन नहीं बेचा था. थर्ड ईयर में बेचा था. This is third year. Because this is first year, this is second year, this is third year. So second year you have not sold the machine. So by balance CD. Now you add it here. This is 0. This is 10, 18, 18, add. करने 7, 8. 288 और एक बार चेक कर लो 6, 6, 10, 18, 18, 1, 8, 2 288. Now this is 8 का 17 add 4, 4, 8 4, 8 2 या 6 264. एक बार देख लेते हैं 6, 8 का 17 add 4, 17, 8 2 या 6, 8 और 2. Now you come here 1, 4, 14. 2 balance DD, which you getting 264, 800. This one loss. When 30th 9. First you write 30th 9. 14, पहले इसका डेप्रीशिएशन, उसका डेप्रीशिएशन 8,000 यहाँ लिख देना है, ओके। और लॉस बाय प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, हाउ मच? 48, और बैंक 72, फर्स्ट मशीन का ओवर, जिससे फर्स्ट मशीन का डेप्रीशिएशन M1, फर्स्ट मशीन का लॉस M1 और फर्स्ट मशीन का SP, सेलिंग प्राइस। नाउ सेकेंड मशीन का डेप्रीशिएशन अलग डेट पे है, इसलिए मेरे को डेप्रीशिएशन अलग करके लिखना पड़ेगा। 15 बाय डेप्रीशिएशन ऑफ M2 14,400 एंड 1,22,400 आपको बैलेंस होना चाहिए। लेट अस सी 264,800 नाउ द बैलेंस, इसे 4 अच्छा 8 के 16 पूरी 22 और 8 22 और चाहिए कितना 2 24 24 से 4 मतलब 2 या 6 या 7 13 14 14 और 1 15 और 14 और 2 16 1 यस 1,22,400 करेक्ट है। बाय बैलेंस CD या ट्रू बैलेंस DD 1,22,400। एक बार just I want to explain it once again, just to follow it. Till time is there, I want to explain this one, you follow it, what is given, what is not given in here. This is machinery account. Once if you are able to do the machinery account, depreciation account also you will be able to do. You will not have any problem for the depreciation account. Depreciation account, left hand side, the two machines will come, right hand side, by profit loss account will come, and you will close it like that, one by one. Question you have to understand the data you should know. If you are, whenever you are collecting the data from the question, that time there should not be any mistakes. The date, amount, percentage of the depreciation, when you sold the machine, when did you buy the machine, when you sold the machine, how much profit or how much loss, ये सब आपको मगज में होना चाहिए। Machine 1 का total cost was 1,60,000 CP. How it is 1,60,000 comes? Because 1,24,000 plus 16,000 plus 20,000. I remember it. 1,24,000 plus 16,000 plus 20,000, which CP is 1,60,000. 10% depreciation, that is April to March, 10% comes 16,000. So second year का beginning balance 144. Second year 16,000. Third year का beginning balance 128. Now third year you did not complete. In the middle of the third year you sold the machine. 38,900, which comes after 6 months, or that it is 8,000. So your book value, which date you sold the machine, the book value is coming 1,20,000. And if loss, you got a loss of 40%. 1,20,000 ka 40% is coming 48,000, and you have sold this machine and you got the cash out of which 72,000 of the first machine. Second machine, first year no balance. Second year in the middle you have purchased 1,10,13, it comes middle of the second year, and for 10% it comes 14,400. 1,44,000, 10% comes 14,400. So as it is a 6 month, so half of that, which is coming 7,200, is the half. And if you deduct, you will get 1,36,800, which is the opening balance of the third year. And third year, full year you have charged the depreciation. We have used this machine for full year, so 14,400, which is 10% of 10%. This is 10% of 14,400, which is straight line. And if you deduct, you will get 1,22,400. And at last you will have this machine account balance is 1,22,400 because this machine is sold. No balance you will have. Now machine account. 1,412 fast machine. 2 bank 1,24,000 and 2 cash. That is 16,000 plus 20,000. 36,000. 160. Depreciation 16,000. Balance 144. Here after calculation करने का जरूरत नहीं है. Already you have calculated, you have deducted and you got the balance. That balance only you will write it here. 144. Second year in the beginning 144 and second year in middle you have purchased the second machine 144. That 144 how it comes? 136 plus 8. So this is 136 plus 8 is equal to 144. Now second year first machine full depreciation, second machine half depreciation. 23,200. So balance you are getting 264,800. 264,800 is the opening balance of the beginning of the third year of 2 machines. Now in the middle of the third year you have sold the first machine और the depreciation for M1 यहाँ 8,000 का लिख दिया, उसको लॉस आया 48,000 और आपने सेल किया तो ये क्लोज हो गया. अभी 31/3/15 सेकेंड मशीन का depreciation, इसलिए 2 बार depreciation अलग करके लिखना पड़ा. Why? Because dates are different, but here dates are same. This is machine to 14,400 and you got the balance of 1,22,400. This is the way. The things is very easy. Collect the data proper way and do which way I have done. Working, don't do mistakes. Once if you are doing the mistakes in the working, then you will have the problems. So I will tell you, don't do mistakes in the working. Working is very clearly you will do, then it will be easy for you to do the sums. So once again I want to tell you that that this question they said that what is this? Company provided depreciation on the machine account 10% every year. Prepare the machine account, show the accounting effect of the annual accounting effect, which year they said 12/13. 12/13. Accounting year of the 12/13. I remember it. How will do the accounting effect? Accounting effect मतलब profit and loss account and balance sheet. This is you will do profit and loss account and this will do the balance sheet. Here you write debit credit. First year depreciation, how much you have charged, remember it. Because second machine was not there in the first year. First year you had only first machine. And first year only they said that accounting effect. Matlab profit and loss account and balance sheets. So we write the two depreciation only. How much? So that. I remember it. And here machine account balance you had 1,60,000 and less depreciation 10%, which comes so large, I write 1,44,000. But this is called accounting effect. Nothing else. You look at the board, you will find out. Look at the books, textbook, you find out, and you will get like these questions. Students, once again I want to tell you. When you read the questions, you collect the data proper way. The data it will be date, amount, percentage, sold which date, purchase which date, कौन सा मेथड में डिप्रिसिएशन चार्ज किया, कब परचेस किया, इसका बारे में आप थोड़ा आइडिया हो जाएगा. तो वर्किंग पहले आप सोच के वर्किंग कर लो. वंस वर्किंग इज करेक्ट द मशीन अकाउंट विल बी करेक्ट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, as every time I am telling same thing, I want to repeat you. If you do not understand it any place, you can tell me, I will clear your doubt. Okay, bye, all the best.